What's up, guys? Connor Maxwell, Colonel Lett, and we're here with our first driver development school, Firebird Motorsports Park.
We're here to, get these kids some coaching and get them on pace on the track, not only safely but fast. And racing, it's not only how fast you can get to the corner; it's how safe you can. You always want to be loading the car up on the trailer at the end of the day.
Yep. So we're here to mainly help the spotters as well. Also, you hear everyone get into racing, and the first thing you hear on the radio is go, 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 go. But how do these kids know how to go? So we're here to sit them down. We'll walk the course with them. We'll show them the lane 1, 2, and 3. Your inside, your middle, your outside. We'll show them how to drive the course, where they should be located at on the course at all times, passing lanes, the hot line, and building racecraft to become a safe but fast driver.
These last 2 years, Connor and I have, really taken the short course field by storm, and we've learned a lot along the way. I've learned on what to do and what not to do. You got to stay composed, drive a good race, but also stay consistent. And I feel like that's something that we can bring a lot to help these kids, drive safe. We've got 170s, RS1s, XP 1000s, Razor 250s, Can-Am X3s, and a bunch more cars to come. So come out, get some coaching, and let's go. We're working with Banks Bowden right now. This is his first day in the car, and we're just trying to get him the fundamentals down, on how to rotate the car, how to keep the throttle consistent, and so far he's really killing it, man. I'm super proud of him.
Today we got a brand new driver, first time in the car, first time on a short course track. You big UTV enthusiast. Riley, tell us how your day was.
It was good. Definitely at the start, the track was a lot slippier because it was wet, but it's been fun.
First time driving on short course, how do you feel with your car and learning all the things the car takes to do and putting it on short course track, all your race gear and everything like that?
Good. I almost spun out once, but I definitely felt it, corrected out of it, so that was cool to see because I needed to feel that. So yeah.
Yep, so we're here to put on schooling. This is our first one. There'll be future of these. They are open to everybody, any skill level, any driver, any car, anything like that. You want to come out and race short course, we'll help you get the proper equipment, help you get the proper setup, and come out and get the proper coaching to become a proper racer.